Grandma. Thank you for the video camera. This is my pony.
What do you have?
A pony.
A little pony?
You wanna? I'll take you somewhere. I'll point to which presents are under.
What's
the
today,
tree.
Lily?
Today is Christmas Eve.
Wow.
And that's my present. That one is. That one is. That one is. That one is. And that one is. That one is.
Who are these all from?
That one is. This one. These kind are from Nancy. And that's from my mom. Even that.
So there's no Santa presents there?
No.
Why is that?
That's Kevy's presents from me.
Why is that, Lily? Why are there no Santa presents
Because
yet?
it's not even night yet.
Oh, Santa comes when you're sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
On Christmas Day.
Hmm.
And
Whose present is that?
it's like my little cousins.
Which little cousin?
My little Ryan.
Baby Ryan?
Yeah.
What's in there?
No peeking.
No peeking. You're right. Are you excited that it's Christmas?
Mhm.
Okay. Can you tell everybody Merry Christmas? Look at the camera.
Merry Christmas.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. But I don't even know which one's from Weston, and I think that one of the flat ones that
No peeking.
I think that one of the flat ones are the ones.
Okay. Well,
And I
let's
don't-
tell everybody Merry Christmas. Then you can shake them all.
Merry Christmas.